It's your girl KeAndra, and I'm back with another video. And this video is going to be another headband wig video. You guys loved my last video with this wig, so if you are interested, make sure you go watch my last video. But this video is sponsored by LUVME Hair. So I want to thank LUVME Hair for sending me this wig for you guys, so I can show and review and give you guys my thoughts and show you guys some hairstyles. So if you're interested in seeing what they sent me, then keep watching.
Who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a zen, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight.
Okay, so first off, this is the prettiest packaging I've ever gotten from a wig company, like ever. Like, this is so pretty. Y'all know my favorite color is purple. If you didn't know, it is. And it comes with this ribbon on it. So once you take it off, you then open the box like this. And here are some headbands, y'all. It's at least 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 or 5 headbands in this package. And then you get the wig right here. And this says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, from the founder of LUVME Hair. That's a cute note. You get this bag full of goodies, which I will open for you guys in a second. And you get a wig cap and a little pamphlet that has like questions about it and how you can care for it and all of that. So this is really nice packaging. I love the box, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what came in this little pouch. So it's like a little pencil bag, you know. Inside you get, an edge brush. Y'all, I needed another one of these because my little toothbrush I need a new one. So you get a little edge brush. Love that. You get a little cute hair clip that says LUVME. Beautiful. Some bobby pins, because who doesn't need bobby pins? You get an elastic band, and this looks like a scarf to or a headband to tie down your edges. And then you get some tweezers, and who doesn't need tweezers? So I love all of this stuff. All of this stuff is like wig essentials. Oh, dropping stuff. Actually, I might want to leave that edge brush out, child. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys all of the headbands that they sent. I love when companies send me like a lot of stuff that actually pertain to the product that I'm reviewing, because sometimes they be sending random stuff that I don't even need. So I got this yellow one, this cheetah print one, which is probably my fave already, this navy blue and cream one, this yellow and green and navy one, and then this camo one, which I love this one as well. So I got 5 headbands, you guys. Okay, so let's look at the hair. So it comes in this nice purple bag. Inside you have the paper, of course, so it can keep its form. Let's take the lunch lady net off. Okay, so I got the straight wig. This is what it looks like. It is in 20 inches. This is the headband right here. And on the inside, you have 3 combs, actually 2. No, 3. 3 combs at the front and 1 at the back. See, 1, 2, and 3. Then 1 at the back. And then the adjustable headband straps. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to take this one off and come back when I apply this one. Okay, so I have my hair already in a bun in the back and underneath a wig cap. I'm going to take my edge booster. This is literally the best edge control, you guys. You gotta be careful because it does turn white on you, but I think if you just use like some warm or hot water over it, then you'll be fine. But yeah, this is literally the best edge control, and it smells good. My flavor is peach. My scent is peach, and it literally keeps my edges slayed all day. So yeah, if y'all just want to, you know, a little quick edge tutorial, I don't do nothing crazy. I just do some swoops and call it a day. And that is literally it. Now, because this is a straight hair normally, and when you see me wear this wig from here on, normally I'd probably do like a middle part so it looks kind of more natural, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna swoop them how they are, and then we're going to apply the wig. So let's get started. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's 20 inches. This is human hair, so you can curl it, dye it, straighten it, put heat to it, all of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on, have that one secured in the back, and then put this on in the front and secure it. Now, I never wear my headbands super duper close to my, like, I don't like that look at all. Now, if you like have your hair cornrowed or something, so you can't leave your edges out, then you can wear like your headband like way up here. If that's what you want to do, you can do it, but that's not what I do. I always kind of push mine back, and even when I do get it settled, so let me show you. So now that I've clipped it, hold on, it's a lot of hair, y'all. Let's get this out. Okay, so now that I've clipped it, what I usually go back and do is push it back, or I double it or whatever. And so now it looks like this, okay? So now it is kind of, you know, puffy up here, so I am gonna go over that and try to straighten it. But so far so good. I think that is really cute. This is 20 inches. Let me sit up. You guys know I am 4'11" and a half or 5 feet. So this is where it stops on me. My boobs look big. This is where it stops on me. Super cute. So now I'm about to go in. Let's see if I can get this down. Now I'm about to go in and straighten the hair, and then I'm going to show you guys it on with the headbands. Okay, so now that you guys know this is what it looks like, just straightened regular with the black headband that it came with. So I'm going to try on this yellow one just to show you guys what it looks like. Try not to get makeup on it because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so this is what the yellow one looks like. This is so cute, y'all. Like, I love this wig and I cannot wait to curl it. Oh my gosh. So for the next 4 headbands, I'm gonna show you guys 4 different styles. So keep watching and stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I kind of just had an idea. So I want to see if I can hide the headband. So what I'm going to do is take my hair down. Oh, that feels so good. And I'm going to part out some of my hair in the front. And we're going to try to treat this like a half wig. So I just want to see if I can hide the band. You don't need a lot of hair, but just like enough to hide the hairband. Then we're just gonna put the rest back up into a bun. Okay. And I'm gonna take my headband wig. And okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just strap that together. I haven't seen anyone try this with straight hair. And then make sure I cover the headband on both sides. Y'all. Make sure you cover the headband, child. Make sure you leave enough hair on the sides to cover the headband. But y'all, you got you a little half. Y'all, look at this. This is so cute. Okay, hold on. Make sure the hair covers the headband. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, y'all, look. Okay, so now you're gonna take your hair. I'm just gonna pin that back. Where's my bobby pin? Out the way. And of course you can do it better than this, but I'm just trying to show you guys. Y'all. And now we got a half wig and we hid the headband. Y'all, this looks so, I'm wearing my hair like this tomorrow. Definitely. I'm about to redo this and wear my hair like this tomorrow. For sure. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank LUVME Hair for sending me this bomb wig. I showed you guys 5 different ways to wear it, 5 different headbands, how to hide the headband, you guys. Effortless. All 5-minute hairstyles. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like these type of videos, then make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I have the link to this hair down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to get this wig. It's bomb. Get you a hairband wig, y'all. Get you one. Bye, y'all.